Hello tech lovers, today's video is on S91 mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Mini drones are in some people's most searched drone category. Sometimes minis are searched more instead of normal drones. There are some features that help us know about a great mini drone or a bad mini drone. In this video, we have discussed an awesome mini drone. Without further ado, let's go and gather some important information. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. The drone has a 28.5 by 20 by 6.5 centimeters expanded size and a 13 by 7 by 6.5 centimeters folded size. Because of its great foldable design, the drone has great portability too. It has high-definition picture quality camera. They claim a 4K dual camera, but in this price range, it is nearly impossible to provide a genuine 4K. It's not genuine 4K, but with its high-definition lens and real-time picture transmission, you can record every wonderful moment. This drone is provided with a long battery life modular battery. It has long-lasting battery life, and it is easy to load and unload. It has a 1,800 mAh battery capacity and about 8 minutes of battery life. But don't worry about lack of power or lack of flight time. You can easily load and unload a battery and put another rapidly to enjoy lots of flight time. Now it is time to discuss various functions of S91 mini drone. Obstacle avoidance is very useful and needed for drone safety. It helps from not being crashed or damaged, even if there is rough driving. It provides the needed safety that every drone operator wants. Having this intelligent three-sided induction detection obstacle avoidance on this device, it can encounter obstacles, and it will stop flying immediately, allowing you to control faster. It automatically senses obstacles ahead to stop flying. Stable hovering is very necessary for a drone. It provides a great shooting experience. It provides the needed stability. Stability is needed in specific situations. Some clips become unworthy without stability because they require stability. Having air pressure hovers in this drone, this one is more stable and clear at shooting. The precise positioning and anti-shake have made the shot more stable and clearer. Image transmission is important in a drone. Without a doubt, image transmission plays an important role in a fun and memorable moments. Because without image transmission, flying a drone becomes kind of boring. Having 5G high-definition image transmission, you will get a real-time grasp of environmental information to share wonderful things. Gesture photo reduces lots of effort. It helps to reduce some extra hassles. It makes the shooting process easy and reasonable. You can show specific gestures, and according to these gestures, the drone will capture your photos. It has an intelligent follow feature. Intelligent follow helps the drone to stick around a specific subject all the time. Suppose you are roaming with a boat, it will follow you along and keep shooting you with much ease. This intelligent follow shooting feature is effective to record sweet moments. It has an amazing feature that lets you have a 360-degree circle around you and have some great shots. It provides even more great services in some specific environments or situations. It provides great clips when you are on a mountain or in a tower. The drone is capable of providing great shots with smoothness. Waypoint flight is a really useful feature. It is more useful for the novices. It makes the flying process easier and more relaxing. It provides some relaxing moments for the operators. With the waypoint flight feature of this drone, you can have customized flight waypoints through app to realize automatic flight. Mobile phone control is a very contemporary feature nowadays. Who doesn't like to use mobile phone and do different types of regular work with it? With the necessity of the mobile phone, it has become a very useful and inseparable part of our life. And being able to control the drone with this familiar device is a fun thing to do. Headless mode is a feature that lets the operator fly the drone with zero basic knowledge. After you turn this feature on, the drone will fly based on the front of the remote control, and no need to identify the direction. Let's discuss the pros and cons of this drone. The pros are, it has great obstacle avoidance, great design, 360-degree surrounding shoot. The cons are, the portability could be better. The battery capacity could be better. This drone is without a doubt a praiseworthy drone itself. The quality and features are impressive and a must-have. After talking about the features and qualities, we can openly recommend this drone. You can give it a shot at this one. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.